All the waka man see just they make me to holla. He they make me to holla.
Oh God, do not pass through that direction. What kind of person is this one? Huh? Huh? He did not follow your that street. He did not follow your. Huh? Look at my food. Look at my food. Ah. What which type of person is this one? What did I do to this boy?